Trying one of my favorite meals. E-kick. I almost witnessed a crime today. The disrespect. Absolutely not Queenie. Bland chicken no manches Mela. Found every season in her cabinet and gave this chicken some love with a splash of OJ. Not while I'm here. Mix and marinate the apparatus 10 minutes. Ready, pal Esador.
Decided to take you on a little Sunday morning with Nana Joe today. It's 6 in the morning. We woke up extra early because I had an eyelash appointment. So I brushed my muelas to make sure my breath was not nice and stinky. I showered with a little bit of perfume. I moisturized my face so my face wouldn't be nice and crusty. Then I was gonna make myself some coffee, and then I realized I did not have creamer, so I had to go run to my nearest donut shop to buy me some coffee because, you know, priorities. Then I laid there for 3 hours and got eyelashes individually stuck to my face. Now my eyelash tech is freaking amazing, and she gave me a little kit that way I can take care of my eyelashes and they don't be falling off. Got the shampoo, we got the spoolie, we got a mirror, makeup remover, a fan, and then just like a little bottle to, you know, to rinse my lash. Came out of that place feeling like a whole nother woman, like literally fluttered my ass into the truck to the supermarket, because this is where I plan my weekly lunchbox ideas. Once I get everything that I need, I go home and then I start prepping for the week's lunchboxes. That's my Sunday. Now who can guess what I'm gonna make tomorrow? What's something random you miss about pre-COVID times? Okay, smelling and tasting, bitch. Ever since I got COVID on 2020, I never recuperated my full sense of smell or taste. I was like about like a 50-50, and then I got COVID again, and then it went away. I feel like I taste and I smell because of memory. Like taste, I smell because of memory, because I know what something is supposed to taste like. But if you give me something before, I was really good at like, it has pepper, it has lemon, it has this, it has that. Now I can't. I really try and I can. Like I taste sweet, I taste sour, I taste salty, but I don't know what it is. And then smelling, unless I'm like all up in there, that's the only way I can smell, because I can't smell. Like I don't know what if I don't know if my house smells. I don't know if the freaking cat litter smells. Like I can't smell. And then my brain does a whole Mandela effect on me, and now Pepsi tastes different. I swear I smell like passion fruit, and my husband's like, ma'am, that is onions. Let's pack today's lunchbox for friends and followers. I decided to go a little on the Korean side and make them my favorite Korean barbecue. I'm a big sauce girl and side girl, so I'm gonna make as many sides as I can, which I didn't plan accordingly because you'll see at the end. So I'm gonna prep and pickled all of my sides, and I'm also gonna marinate my meats. Pickled some of those big papa garlics, and then wash all of my leafy greens. Make sure there was no dirt on those romaines, because nobody wants to be biting on dirt. I know this is not gonna be the same as traditional Korean barbecue, because usually you get to grill your own meats and choose your own sides. Since it's lunch and I'm sure they don't have a little stove at work, I'm gonna do all the grilling myself. Did some thinly sliced ribs, shrimpies, and some ribeye. For the plating, this part was super hard because I didn't think it all the way through. But I did a small little bit of rice, added the ribs and the ribeye on top, side of the corn cheese, and then added my shrimpies on top. I warned them that if they didn't give me back my little silicone trays, they were not invited to the next Korean barbecue. Did the radish wraps, some Korean cucumber salad, the daikon with the jalapenos, and some kimchi. Different little box, I added some leafy greens, some nori sheets, and some dipping sauces. For their drink, they had the option between a soda or a blueberry sparkly PT refresher. They were a little on the confused side on this one, but I was like, trust the process. There you have it, guys. I'm just gonna hurry my ass up, get everything ready for them, including their drink, so they can come pick up during lunchtime. Bye! I'm gonna show you guys how to make these wieners into our dinner. Sometimes I can get down with dinner, and other times I don't even got time to defrost the freaking weenies. Regardless, the humans have to eat, and this dinner idea has always taken me out of apuros. Begin by cutting up a package of turkey wieners, and then we're also gonna do some potatoes. Get them nice and crispy with a little bit or a lot of bit of oil. Honestly, I don't care. Your kitchen, your choice. A little bit of garlic, and then you're gonna season up your potatoes because ain't nobody here likes bland potatoes. We're multitasking here, people, so we're gonna make a white rice to go along with our wieners. And fry up your white rice in butter or in oil, whatever, just fry it up. Season it up with a little bit of chicken bouillon. You're also gonna add a jalapeno and some cilantro. The jalapenos mine for later. Cover this up, let this simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes. In the meantime, add your weenies into your potatoes. Get those nice and crispy also. For the sauce, I know you guys are gonna fall on your asses. I don't care because this is delicious. First things first, always add that bay leaf because you're gonna trick people into thinking you've been cooking all day. I'm gonna add equal parts ketchup and pickled jalapeno juice. You're also gonna go in there with a chorrito of water and season it up with chicken bouillon. Oh my god, it's so salty. So what? Eat or starve, homie. Cover the weenies and potatoes for about 15 minutes until the potatoes are nice and soft. By that time, your rice should also be ready. And I serve mine with a little side salad, and that is dinner in a freaking hurry. But there you have it, guys. Hope you like this recipe. Bye!
I know y'all don't like these, but I do. It's my favorite thing to restock, and what I restock the more often. When did the crumbs come from? Don't worry, I think I got them lol.
Let's pack today's lunchbox from our friends and followers. Today we're making them some Mexican-style burgers. We're going to begin by making the patties, and I'm going to use chorizo. We're going to give them a nice little round shape, put them on our comal until they cook all the way through. I didn't add cheese on top of our chorizo patties because I'm going to char and peel some chile poblanos. You can use a little spoon or your hand if you ain't scared of no chile. And I stuff them with some queso chihuahua. Oh my god, did she just say queso chihuahua? I did. And for those who haven't met queso chihuahua, here he is. Let me introduce you. Put those chiles on the comal so they can get nice and melted. Then I butter up my buns. Make sure they get nice and crispy. Spread some spicy mayo all over my buns. Add some lettuce, tomatoes, onions. Then we add our chorizo patties, some jalapenos, avocados, some cilantro so it can get stuck on their teeth. Then we add the chile poblano that we stuffed with the queso chihuahua that at this point the cheese is nice and melted. Topped it off with our top bun. Wrap it up in some parchment paper for them. Split it in half because this is a freaking ginormous ass freaking hamburger. But then this is what it looks like. Now, to go along with their burger, I made them some homemade crispy potato chips with a dipping sauce. Now for their drink, they had the option between a soda or a boba horchata. And you already know I gotta give them options. So they had the option between a strawberry horchata or the regular horchata. Strawberry one got some strawberry, the regular one just got some cinnamon. That is it, guys. I'm just gonna hurry my ass up, get everything ready for them, including their boba horchata, and then they come and pick up during lunchtime.